Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at popos 2404 Cosmic Alpha versus popos 2204 modified version of GNOME. So I'm going to go ahead and kick off these installers and I'll see you on first boot. All right, now as you can see, the Cosmic Alpha installed much faster. So I'll go ahead and shut both of these down and then I'll see you on the first login. Okay, we've made it to the login screen here. On the Cosmic Alpha side, we're greeted with the Cosmic Greeter. It's got the date, the time, our power, Ethernet connection, keyboard layout, user, session, suspend, restart, shut down, then our password. And then on the popos 2204 side, we've got our traditional GNOME greeter with the date, time, accessibility options here that we could toggle on and off, our network connection, volume, power. So what we'll do, we'll just put in our password and log in. And on the popos 2204 side, we've got this welcome greeter that we've got to kind of run through here to set up our dock. So we'll go next. And then there's the top panel configuration. Just going to run through this. And we can select our location. Online accounts, start using. Okay. So at this point, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the Pop Shop for 2204 and the Cosmic App Store on the 2404 side. We're just going to check for updates here. And both sides have updates, so what we'll do is we'll just kick these off. And then once they're finished, I'll give it a reboot. As you can see, the Cosmic Alpha finished much faster, but probably a lot less to update there. I'm going to give these a reboot and be right back. Well, let's take a look at HTOP. And on the Cosmic Alpha side, the CPU is around 2%. Memory is about 1 gig. And on the popos 2204 side, CPU is 0.7 Memory is right at 1.75 gigs. All right, let's look at the file manager. We go to View About. We've got Cosmic Files on the Cosmic Alpha. And on popos 2204, we've got files 42.6. All right, let's take a look at system settings. On the Cosmic Alpha side, we've got the operating system popos 2404 LTS. Of course, the desktop environment is Cosmic, and the windowing system is Wayland. On the 2204 side, we've got 2204 LTS, GNOME version 42.9, windowing system X11. All right, let's see what version of Firefox is installed. Right now, helping about. It's version 129.0.1 on both. All right, let's take a look at the software centers on both. And we'll just search up Inkscape. And we'll pull it up on both. They both show if it's a Flatpak or a system package. You've got the developer, and then the monthly downloads in a nice thumbnail. This has got the download size. Description, what's new in the release notes. So pretty much the same on both. Cosmic Alpha Software Center is much quicker, very snappy. All right, let's do a Neo fetch. And on the new Cosmic Alpha, we've got kernel 6.9.3, almost 1500 Debian packages, Bash 5.2.21, the Cosmic desktop environment, Cosmic terminal, and sitting here idle about 1.2 gigabytes. On popos 2204, kernel 6.9.3, about 1800 Debian packages, Bash 5.1.16, desktop environment GNOME 42.9. Sitting here idle, we're almost at 2 gigs. As far as release cycles, popos is still going to follow the Ubuntu release cycle. They're going to keep development going on their desktop environment. I believe they said every year a major update to the desktop environment. popos will remain on the Ubuntu release cycle. Now let's take a look at the wallpapers. And for the most part, they are the same. There are a few new ones in here. Starting with this one, those are the same wallpapers down, but the Cosmic Alpha does have, what is this, 2, 4, about 8 wallpapers that are new. And then I'll just scroll to the bottom to show that they are the same starting here. Oh. And that's going to do it for today's video. Here are some more videos you may find helpful and informative. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. If you're new here, please consider subscribing so you don't miss out on any future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.